Hi children, a warm welcome to all. Welcome back to the English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your English teacher, Asha. So in the previous class, we have discussed the listening and speaking session from page number 34. Today let us discuss writing session from page number 35. See children, if you want to talk about yourself, what can you say? Yes, you can tell your name and how many years for you and in which class you are in and from where you are coming. Is it? You are a boy or girl. So many things we are included when you are talking about yourself. So in this lesson, Dum Dum, the baby elephant. So can you describe our Dum Dum? Yes, Dum Dum is a baby elephant. He is very sweet and gentle. Is it? And he has two big ears, two small eyes, and he has a long trunk, long nose, and he is in green color. Is it children? Yeah, and all of you love this Dum Dum? Yes, so many things we can include it when you are talking about our Dum Dum. See, what is this? Yeah, this is a model of a house. What can you see here? Yes, this is a small house. What is the color? Yes, it is yellow and red in color. Can you see how many windows? Yes, it has two windows. And how many doors? Yes, it has one door. And anything else? Yes, you can see grass. It is in green in color. So if you want to describe anything, first you want to observe that one carefully. Then you can talk about that one in a sentence.
Writing. Read about Dum Dum. Here you can see the picture of Dum Dum, and here they are written some sentences about Dum Dum. Dum Dum is a sweet and gentle baby elephant. He is 1 year old. He has a long nose and big ears. He is grey. That means he is grey in color. He has a short tail. Everybody loves Dum Dum. Next we can see the another example. See, look at the picture of the lion. Here we need to say something about this lion. See, before that you need to observe the picture carefully. Then you can see lion is a wild animal. They are lives in the jungle. It is called as king of the forest. Fourth one, it is one of the strongest animal of jungle. Fifth one, lion has a strong body and 4 legs. Sixth one, it has a tail and very strong paws. Seventh one, lion's neck is covered with long hair which is called mane. Eighth one, lion belongs to cat family. Ninth one, lion roaring loudly. Tenth one, they eat flesh by hunting other animals. So here we have written 10 sentences about lion. Like this, if you get a picture, you should observe that picture carefully and try to write sentences about that picture. We can see another example. See the rabbit. A rabbit is a small animal. It has 2 long ears. It has 2 eyes. Rabbits have small neck and head. Fifth one, it has 4 legs and small tail. Sixth one, rabbits can jump very far with their legs. Seventh one, it has thick fur on their skin. Rabbits are popularly called bunny. Bunny the rabbit, like that. They live in burrows which are made inside the ground. So the living place of rabbit is burrow. And the lion lives in den. Rabbits eat grass, leaves and vegetables.
Take your textbook and take page number 36. In that textbook you can see a picture of a cub. What is the cub? Yeah, the young one of tiger, the baby of the tiger that we can call cub. So here they are given some words in the brackets and some sentences are written below and some words are missing in that sentences. So using that words given in the bracket, we need to complete the sentences. So shall we do the exercise? Page number 36, we can see a tiger cub. So we can name it Tiki. So here they are given some sentences. What the heading? Yes, complete these sentences about Tiki. Here they are given some sentences about Tiki. But some words are missing. Who is Tiki? Yeah, the tiger cub, the baby of the tiger. So using these words given in the bracket, we need to complete the sentences about Tiki. So what are the words given in the bracket? Yes, first one, 4 months old. So Tiki has 4 months old. Then orange, what's the color? Yes, orange color. Then black. See, can you see black stripes on tiger's body? Yes. Next one, large black eyes of Tiki. Yes, large black eyes. Then long tail. It has a long tail. So here they are given the sentences. First one, Tiki is a tiger cub. So who is Tiki? Yes, Tiki is a tiger cub. Second one, he is dash. How many years? Yes, he is 4 months old. So here we can write 4 months old. So children, how many months for Tiki? Yes, Tiki is 4 months old. Third one, he has a dash body with dash stripes. What's the color of his body? Yes, orange color. So here he has an orange body. Orange. Can you see the word orange here? Yes. Then what's the color of the stripes on his body? Yes, black stripes. So here we can write the spelling black, B-L-A-C-K, black. So he has an orange body with black stripes. Fourth one, he has dash. Who's that? Yes, he has large black eyes. Large black eyes. So here we can write he has large black eyes. Large black eyes. And the last one, he has a dash. How is his tail? Yes, he has a long tail. So the last one we can write he has a long tail. Everyone likes Tiki. So first sentence, Tiki is a tiger cub. Second one, he is 4 months old. Third one, he has an orange body with black stripes. Fourth one, he has large black eyes. Fifth one, he has a long tail. So here we discussed about the tiger cub Tiki. So like that, when you are getting a picture, what do you want to do? Yes, you just listen. You should observe that picture carefully, then you can talk about that. You can name them and how many years. Okay, what's the color of its body and its body parts, eyes, ears, tail, everything you can write. So children, you should complete this exercise from page number 36. We have discussed about the writing session. We described about Dum Dum the baby elephant and Tiki the tiger cub. So I also attached the worksheet of this session. So you should download the page and complete your worksheet and file it with you. In the next class, we can discuss the pronunciation session. Don't forget to read your textbook and complete the textual exercises and write and study the notes. So we can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.